What's up everyone, Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids, and we have the latest monthly knife club box here. This is the February box, and let's open it up. I haven't checked out all the gear, just cut the tape so we can get into it. But let's start here. Got the card, "A lion cares not for the opinions of sheep." Deep truth right there. All right, so we've got a couple different plans here, the advanced plan, the premium, and the ultimate plan. So you basically work through this and then up to this. So let's start here. Standard or name brand knife, value $20 up to $40.13. So let's see what we got here. Doesn't look like it. Probably this guy right here, I'm guessing. Undo this. Take it out. So this is going to be a Smith & Wesson fixed blade, full tang knife. You know, to be candid with you, I've not been a huge fan of some Smith & Wesson knives, but that's a pretty decent looking, kind of like a tactical knife. Let me take this little piece off here. This basically says be careful with the knife and don't stab yourself or anybody else. So that's the yeah, that's a nice little nice big kind of tactical fixed blade. So that's our first item there, and they're saying your value is going to be between $20 and $40 for that one. So ballistic nylon sheath, nothing super special, but definitely gets the job done. Looks like we have a pouch there, and that's just the silica gel. Just wanted to see if there was anything included in it. Feels like more silica gel maybe. Let's find out. Just a piece of plastic. So there's your first item. Next up we have a Maxpedition pouch. Let's see if we can find, or a patch. Patch. Let's see if we can find that in here somewhere. There it is. That's kind of a cool one. Look at that. Maxpedition patch. They're saying value for that $6 or $5.99. It's kind of a sweet patch. I'm going to put that somewhere soon. Next up, we've got a Pocket Outdoor Survival Guide, which I assume is this one. Yeah. Pocket Outdoor Survival Guide, the ultimate guide for short-term survival. So it's kind of cool. Very compact. It feels like it's got some sort of coating on it, so if it gets wet, it's going to be okay as far as the cover. But lots of information, some black and white photos, build a survival fire, signals, a little bit about gear. So that's cool. That is your third item. They're saying value for that is, let's see, $9.95. Next is the Coleman Survival Multi-Tool, which I would assume is this guy right here. So let's see what's in here. This thing has definitely got some weight to it, I'll tell you that. Whoa, Coleman, what have you done? Look at that. I mean, Coleman usually, I mean, it's, you know, it's stuff that you can carry to Walmart or Target, places like that, so it's super budget friendly, but that's actually a pretty good looking multi-tool. So we got some pliers, it looks like, in there. Spring loaded. So there's that. Got a carabiner there. Got some blades and tools, I think. Let me close this guy up here. See what we got in here. Look at that. No serrations. Good job, Coleman. No idea what the steel is on that, but I got that. And then we got a bunch of other tools, it looks like, in here. Let's see. Can opener, little flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. And then we got bottle opener and another screwdriver. Yeah, that's a cool little, and that's your liner lock right there. I didn't know how the thing locked open, but that's how. So that's that. So yeah, I mean, for Coleman, I'm actually pretty impressed, quite honestly. You know, they don't make the highest end gear, but little beaner, blade, a couple other tools in there. That's actually pretty cool. This thing's definitely got some heft to it. So yeah, they're saying the value for this one, let's see, is $17.95. Yeah, I could see you picking that up at a, you know, a big box store or something in town for 17, 18 bucks. Definitely got some heft to it, man. Definitely got some serious heft to it. And let's see how strong that lockup is. Yep, I mean, I'm pushing. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty solid lockup. And no serrations on the blade. That's definitely a win right there. So that's your next item. This again is all the advanced plan right there. We have Live and Learn fire cards and Live and Learn primitive cooking cards. Let's see, right here. So Live and Learn primitive cooking, so quick reference guide, and then fire building. I've actually got some of these cards, one on tracking and one on using paracord. These are pretty cool. So yeah, two more little items. They're saying the value for each of these is $4. All right, hang on. All right, I'm figuring this out now. So when you get the advanced plan, you're gonna get a knife, it sounds like probably around $20. If you get the premium plan, you're going to get a knife. Instead of giving the $20 knife, they're going to give you the $40 knife. So what we have at the premium plan is the Smith & Wesson knife valued at around $40.07, which I already showed you this knife, but that was my bad, just explaining the process. So Smith & Wesson, again, that's a pretty hefty knife right there. I don't know what the steel is on that, doesn't say here, but kind of a cool tactical fixed blade. So that's at the premium plan. And then when you go up to the ultimate plan, you're going to get this right here, which is the Hybrid Light solar flashlight, valued at $29.95. And the cool thing about this is you got a little solar panel here. You can charge your gear off of this, so charge your phone off of this, and then this helps also charge the light. So you can charge this light with, you know, plugging it into the wall at home or whatever. But if you're out in the woods and you need to charge up your light and then charge up your gear, you got this little solar panel. It does take a while with the solar panel just because it's small, but again, it's an option that you have out in the woods when maybe there's no other option. And I've had other lights from Hybrid Light. Pretty cool stuff. I think Hunt Vault includes them as well. So there's that. And then last up is this, which is the Bastien Breza or Braza EDC folding knife. Let's open this up here. Look at that guy. D2 steel. Big, hefty. I mean, this thing has got some serious heft to it. That's a beefy knife. So we're looking at D2 steel. We've got stainless, let's see. I'm trying to read through the details here. Stainless steel, titanium coated handle, frame lock with smooth flipper action, ceramic ball bearing, closed, it's 3.75 and open 8.25. So that's 8.25 from end to end that way. Closed up, 3.75. That's what that looks like right there. Cool knife. Cool knife, man. That thing is just asking to be like used. Slice and dice with that thing. Yeah, that actually fits really nicely in my hand. For a bigger EDC knife, this is something that you may want to check out from Bastien Gear. And I've had some other gear, other knives from Bastien Gear, and I've liked their stuff. So here's a look at all of it, guys. You get your Maxpedition, your Pocket Outdoor Survival Guide, your Coleman multi-tool, 2 sets of Live and Learn cards. You get the Smith & Wesson fixed blade, you get the solar Hybrid Light solar flashlight, and the Bastien EDC knife. Your total value is $282.01, and that is the February monthly knife club. So here's a look at all the gear, guys. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. So yeah, let's hear your comments down in the comment section below. Thanks as always for checking out the videos. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram and Tumblr as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.